Hi everyone, I'm Kelly with HVAC.com. Like any other piece of equipment, it's very important to keep up with the maintenance on your Aprilaire 600 humidifier. This maintenance is typically performed before the start of the heating season, so you can prepare your humidifier for the upcoming humidifier season. This maintenance is pretty easy and you can perform it yourself, or if you prefer, you can have your licensed HVAC contractor do it for you. If you choose to do it yourself, use this video and your owner's manual as a guide and we'll get you through it with no problems. Remember, before you begin any maintenance, your first steps are to turn off the water supply, unplug the system, and turn off the electrical source to the furnace. After you've taken these safety precautions, remove the cover from the humidifier by simply pressing the tab at the top and at the bottom of the humidifier and remove the cover. You're going to check the water feed tube, the strainer, the orifice, the drain line, and the water panel. The water feed tube should be removed from the humidifier by disconnecting it from the water panel frame and also from the solenoid valve. After you disconnect it, inspect it by flexing it between your fingers. If you find any signs of wear, brittle spots, or cracking, replace this water tube to prevent leaks. After you inspect the water feed tube, remove the yellow orifice from the end of the tube. Run it under water so you can remove any mineral deposits to prevent restricted water flow. Next, remove the strainer from the solenoid valve opposite the end of the water feed tube. Rinse it under water to remove any mineral deposits that may be stuck inside. Next is the water panel. To remove the water panel frame from the humidifier, grasp the tabs at the top of the frame, pull out, and remove it. Located at the top of this frame is the water distribution tray. Remove this tray from the frame and inspect it for any mineral deposits. If you find mineral deposits in this distribution tray, rinse it under water to remove the deposits. If you cannot remove them, this tray is replaceable. Next, slide the water panel out of the frame and replace it with a new one. When you slide the water panel into the frame, make sure the colored dots are at the top of the frame. Replace the distribution tray by snapping it back into place and set aside to inspect your drain spud and your drain line. Inspect the drain spud by simply twisting and removing from the humidifier. Look for any signs of cracking or mineral deposits. Again, rinse under water to remove the deposits. If it's cracked, replace this spud to prevent leaks. At the same time, you can inspect the drain line for any signs of cracking or wear and replace that if necessary as well. After that, your maintenance is complete and you're ready to reassemble your unit. After reassembling, you're ready for humidifier season. With the Aprilaire 600, your automatic humidistat will notify you with a yellow indicator light when it is time to change your water panel. If you have the 600M, you will have to use other resources to remind yourself when it's time to perform your seasonal maintenance. If you need any or all parts replaced, there is an Aprilaire 600 maintenance kit, part number 4839. Remember, you can always consult your owner's manual to get these step-by-step instructions in more detail. Or, if you feel most comfortable, you can have your contractor perform these annual maintenances for you.